Assalamualaikum everybody, thank you for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make a mug in SolidWorks software. So at first I am taking the top plane, then control it, then go to the sketch and select the circle, and the radius of the circle will be 3 inch. Done. Then close the drawing, go to the features and select the extruded boss, click on the circle and height will be 3 inch, then enter, again enter. Then go to the right plane, the reference geometry in plane, it will be a start from 0 inch. Okay, done. Then control 8, then go to the sketch and select the line, draw a line, go initial point. Okay, then another click, go and come to the initial point, another click, another click. Okay, done. Close the drawing, then go to the front plane, features, to the reference geometry plane, start from 0 inch, click here, the sketch, control 8 and select the circle, draw a circle, fill 0.25, enter, close the drawing, control 7, go to the features, select the swept boss, click on this circle, another click on this path. Okay, done. Then I am selecting again the top plane, go to the reference geometry, select the plane, it will be a start from 3 inch. Okay, then control 8, then go to the sketch, select the circle, draw a circle whose radius will be 2.8 inch, close the drawing, then go to the features, select the extruded cut, click on this circle, will be the height will be 2.8 inch, enter. Okay, then the mug is ready. We can change, we can select the fillet and the constant radius, it will be 0.1 inch. Okay, then I am selecting again the fillet and full round fillet, click, one click is here, select here, another click is here, here, and it is delete, then here select it and here, then close. Okay, the mug is ready. Then we can change the color, go to the here and select the color. Okay.